Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Dave. Welcome back to my channel. You know what happened overnight? We got our first stinking snow. One day before February's over. I think we should just take a ride around and see how it looks. It's a freaking winter wonderland. What do you think, guys? Check it out. I would have thought we could have made it through the whole season, but I'm really not, I guess we're really not that lucky. So let's just take a look who it is. It's Buster! Boy, Buster's crazy. Mommy takes him out for a walk. Let's just check the development out and see how it looks. I don't know. Not looking all that great, is it? I don't know. I don't know. It looks like we might have gotten 5 to 6 inches. Oh no, he's coming back. He's coming back. No, no.
Just ran me down the whole friggin' sidewalk.
Buster, I'm going back.
The whole sidewalk I had to get yanked down.
What, Buster? I'm going back to the office. I'm just doing a drive-through. Are you okay? Your mommy won't bring you 2 days in a row. I'm sorry. She's mean. She's mean, okay? I'll see you later, buddy. Don't be mad at me. Be mad at...
Now he has to come.
Okay.
He dragged me down the whole street.
I'll be there shortly. I'm just going...
Where are you going?
Just checking out the neighborhood, then I'm going.
All right.
Okay.
Then I'm making coffee there. Come on, Buster.
Ooh.
He is so upset.
I'll be there, Buster. I'll be back, buddy. Guess the kids got a snow day. The little kitties are off. Listen to my voice. And it's not that early in the morning. I wonder if Buster is going to be waiting for me patiently. He's got his little coatie on. I don't know. But you got to admit, it is very, very pretty out. What? Because that's not part of the wreck property. Yeah, I guess so. Phase 3 gets screwed. Yeah, they don't listen. All right. Look at the fine job done at the rec center. We don't play around. We don't play around. It's all melting. It's looking good. One car parked in the way. It's a stinking winter wonderland. Look at Buster and his mommy. He wouldn't let her go home. Yes? What? I'm coming. Relax. You little scutch. What do you want? What? Woo! Let's go. For my own toilet paper, because obviously I can't use that crappy stuff that I have for
in the locker room.
for the residents. I have a sensitive rear end. Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about a thing. What?
Now he's gonna shut me out.
Get in.
Go.
Hurry up.
Go.
Oh. What?
Oh, look at that black.
What are you waiting for? Oh, bless you. Oh, come on. Did you wipe your paws off? Did you wipe your paws off? Yeah. Oh, I'm exhausted, Buster. Oh. Come here, buddy. Yes? Clean up. At least she doesn't have you in that feminine looking yellow jacket you have. What do we got in here, Buster?
I like when you turn the collar down, it's got the green.
Okay, you're being a piggy. Look at all that. Look at this. Get over there.
And it's from Duluth, Buster. Miles of Coke, Dave.